Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking the iPad and launching settings so you can change system-level behavior. Once settings is open, scroll the left column to find focus or do not disturb. This is where iOS centralizes interruption controls. You do this because toggling here affects calls, alerts, and banners system-wide. Make sure you're in the main settings view rather than an app settings, and if you have many profiles, tap Focus to see Do Not Disturb as the primary option to modify. Now tap Do Not Disturb to access its controls and decide how interruptions behave. To stop silencing, flip the main Do Not Disturb toggle off. If you prefer, disable any schedule so it won't reactivate automatically. You should also inspect allowed notifications, people and apps, because rules here override silent settings. Once done, make sure Share Across Devices is off if you don't want other Apple devices mirroring the setting. This prevents unexpected reactivation from your iPhone or Mac. Finally, confirm changes quickly by opening Control Center and ensuring the crescent moon icon is not highlighted. That visual confirms Do Not Disturb is truly off. If the toggle seems stuck or notifications still silence, restart the iPad to clear temporary glitches. Should problems continue, inspect focus filters for specific app silences and check for an iPad OS update, because system bugs sometimes block settings. If all else fails, reset network or settings as a last resort and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.